if my hands keep shaking, pass me a tambourine. Oh, sister, tell me what I've gone and done. I was talking about you like I was speaking in tongues. Now everyone is quiet. I watch you fold your hands in these praising arms. With your healing, didn't mean to make you dance. Over now that your face is lighting up, I better go now before I say too much.